Let's be honest, the dream is powerful. A faceless AI-powered YouTube channel, building an audience and generating income around the clock, all without you ever stepping in front of a camera. It's a dream more alive and possible than ever as we head into 2026. But I need to tell you, the landscape has undergone a seismic shift. What was a golden opportunity just a year ago has become a minefield for the unprepared. The rules have changed. YouTube itself has changed, armed with new AI and new policies that are terminating channels at an unprecedented rate. Starting an AI faceless channel today without understanding these new rules is like building a beautiful house on sand right before a hurricane hits. You might wake up one morning to find everything you worked for, your videos, your audience, your potential income, permanently deleted. No warning, no appeal, just gone. But I'm not here to scare you away from this opportunity. If you don't know me, I'm Gary. I quit my job 5 years ago, and up until now, I've made over $1 million in profit from all of my online businesses. Over the past year, I've built multiple faceless channels myself and analyzed hundreds more. So I'm here to give you the real, unfiltered map for 2026. The creators who are thriving right now aren't just lucky. They aren't using secret, shady tricks. They understand that the game is no longer about tricking an algorithm or mass-producing content. It's about building a real, valuable, and sustainable business that YouTube's advanced systems will recognize, reward, and protect. This is a complete mindset shift. Before you generate a single AI avatar, before you type a prompt into any script writing tool, you need to understand the 5 critical, deadly mistakes that are killing channels right now, and the one proven system that is quietly building lasting empires. Let's start with the first and most common fatal mistake: choosing the wrong niche. This is where almost everyone goes wrong. Most guides and gurus will push you hard toward easy niches, things like funny videos, trending music edits, celebrity news, or tons of nonsense videos that go viral for no real reason. Nothing but luck. They show you the thumbnails with millions of views. It looks so easy, but what they never show you is the terrible things behind those views. First, these niches have very low RPM, or money you make per 1,000 views. We're talking maybe just $1 to $3 if you're lucky. Let's do the real calculation. To make a modest just $1,000 a month from ad revenue alone in such a niche, you would need over 1 million views every single month. Let me tell you, for a new channel, that's almost impossible. But the problem is even worse than you may think. These are exactly the kinds of niches YouTube's new AI systems are aggressively cleaning up. Why? Because they're flooded with what YouTube now calls inauthentic and repetitive content. Channels that use AI to churn out low-effort videos or simply repackage the same viral clips are being detected and terminated in waves. YouTube's CEO has said they are going all in on AI. But specifically, AI that empowers human creativity, not replaces it with spam. When you build in these saturated, low-value niches, you are building on quicksand. You are one policy update away from oblivion, competing with thousands of identical channels in a race to the bottom where no one really wins. The second catastrophic mistake is relying on YouTube AdSense as your primary or only income source. The old, outdated YouTube blueprint burned into everyone's mind is this: grind to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, get accepted into the partner program, and then the money will start rolling in. This mindset is a trap. It makes your entire business dependent on YouTube's whims. Ad rates can crash. Your channel can be demonetized for reasons outside your control. An algorithm change can evaporate your traffic. If AdSense is your only income, you are one bad day away from zero. Now let's talk about the tool that brings everyone here: artificial intelligence. The third deadly sin is using AI the wrong way. AI is not your enemy. In fact, it's your most powerful ally if used correctly. YouTube's leadership has been clear. AI is the future of the platform. The enemy is how most people are using it right now, to create what the community calls AI slop. Here's the typical failing formula. Take a generic prompt, like write a YouTube script about making money online, paste the output into an 11 Labs clone of a common voice, and slap it over some generic, looped stock footage. That's it. This content has no soul, no unique perspective, no human touch. YouTube's new AI systems, like Gemini, are terrifyingly good at detecting this. They analyze your video frame by frame, word by word, tone by tone. They can identify patterns of mass production. This content gets flagged as repetitive and low value, leading to demonetization or a one-way ticket to Termination City. In 2026, AI must be a tool for enhancement and scaling, not total replacement. The human must be firmly in the loop. Use AI as a brilliant research assistant, a first draft scriptwriter, a brainstorming partner. But then, you or an editor must step in. You must refine the script to add unique personality, surprising insights, and a logical flow that a real human would create. You must choose an AI voice that isn't the one everyone else is using. Clone your own, or find a less common one to build a unique brand voice. Most importantly, you must be transparent. When you upload, you absolutely must check that box in YouTube Studio that discloses your video contains AI-generated or altered content. Hiding it is a direct violation of the new policies and a fast track to serious trouble. Transparency is your shield. It tells YouTube you are playing by the new rules. This honesty, combined with genuine value, is what keeps your channel safe. Let's talk about mistake number 4, the silent channel killer that's more insidious than any policy violation: weak retention. This isn't about what you say, but how you present it from the very first second. You can have the most valuable content in the world, but if you can't keep your audience for at least the first 3 to 10 seconds, your channel dies in obscurity. I'm talking about your hooks, your titles, and your thumbnails. In 2026, this isn't just marketing, it's survival. YouTube's AI has evolved beyond just judging your video's content. It now judges your promise, and it punishes channels that break that promise with ruthless efficiency. In just the first 3 to 10 seconds, you are in a war for a viewer's attention. Most AI faceless channels start with a generic, slow, AI-voiced introduction. You've already lost. The viewer clicks away, and YouTube's algorithm registers that as a viewer rejection. It thinks, this video failed to engage, do not recommend it further. A poor hook doesn't just lose a viewer, it actively teaches the algorithm to bury your channel. Now, let me bring you to a crucial concept: your channel's credit. This is the 5th critical mistake most new creators make. They ignore it completely. YouTube's AI doesn't just watch your videos, it watches you, the channel owner. It analyzes behavior patterns. A brand new Google account that suddenly starts uploading 3 videos a day, never watches other content, never comments, and has no history looks exactly like a bot farm to the system. It's believed YouTube assigns every channel a hidden internal trust score. A low score makes your channel invisible. Your videos simply won't get suggested. A terrible score paints a target on your back for termination. You need to proactively build your trust score from your very first day. How? First, if possible, don't start your channel on a brand new email. Use an older Gmail account that has some history. This account has a digital fingerprint that looks more human. Second, act like a human on the platform. Use the account to genuinely watch videos in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments. Subscribe to other creators. Third, create a simple but professional channel trailer. This short video should explain who you are, what your channel is about, and the value you provide. This is a direct signal to both AI and any human reviewer that you are a legitimate, thoughtful creator, not a content farm. This foundational work protects you before you even gain a single subscriber. Finally, the old strategy was the lottery ticket approach. Upload as much as you can and pray one video goes viral on its own. The 2026 strategy for a faceless business is to build a symbiotic, interconnected system. Every single piece of content you create should have a dual purpose. Purpose 1 is to provide value and attract viewers on its own topic. Purpose 2, the more important one, is to feed and support the central powerhouse of your channel, your foundation video. This foundation video is the heart of your YouTube business. It's a long-form, incredibly comprehensive guide, 15 to 30 minutes or more, that solves the core problem of your niche. This video is packed with so much actionable value that viewers feel like they've taken a free course. At the end of this video, you naturally and ethically present your paid solution, your course, your affiliate product, your consulting call. This video lives permanently on your channel. Now, every other video you make, every tutorial, every tip, every answer to a common question strategically links back to this foundation video. You use end screens, pinned comments, and verbal calls to action. First, it creates a direct, warm sales funnel. You're guiding a viewer who just enjoyed your free content naturally to your best, most helpful content, which then presents a paid solution. The conversion is logical and smooth. Second, and just as important, it rockets your channel's session time metrics through the roof. When a viewer watches your short tip video and then clicks through to watch your 30-minute master guide, YouTube's algorithm sees a viewer who is deeply engaged and spending a long time on YouTube because of your content. The algorithm's primary goal is to keep people on the platform, so it will reward this behavior by suggesting your videos to more and more people. Your system literally trains the algorithm to promote you. So, let's assemble the complete picture of the winning 2026 AI Faceless channel. It starts with a tight, focused, educational, profitable niche. You go narrow and deep, not broad and shallow. You are the expert on meal prep for diabetic beginners, not just cooking. Before you film or generate a single clip, you lock down your monetization method. What specific digital product or affiliate program are you guiding people toward? Your entire content plan is built around this destination. Your first major production is your foundation video. You invest time here. You use AI like a smart helper. For example, you can feed it the best YouTube videos on your topic and ask it to pull out the strongest ideas. AI helps you organize the information and turn it into something clearer and more useful. You're basically an information DJ. You take what's already out there and remix it into a better, easier format. For visuals, you use an AI avatar or good stock clips that match the topic. But the script is always checked and improved by a real person, so it sounds natural, has personality, and truly helps people. Every video connects back to your main foundation video, so your channel becomes a connected web of content. That keeps viewers watching and makes your channel feel organized. Finally, you think like a real business owner. You protect your channel by checking your titles and scripts against YouTube rules before you post. You can even use AI to help compare your content to the community guidelines. You upload videos as private first, let YouTube run its checks, and only publish when everything looks safe. The days of lazy AI spam channels are over. YouTube got smarter, and it's shutting that stuff down fast. The real opportunity in 2026 belongs to smart creators. The ones who use AI as a tool, not a shortcut. The ones building real value, real education, and a real business. Yes, it takes more work. Yes, it's slower at the start, but it's the only path that creates a safe, stable channel that won't collapse the moment YouTube updates a rule or the algorithm changes. So, if your plan is to start a faceless channel because you don't want to learn YouTube, you're going to lose. If your plan is to start a faceless channel because you want to build a system, learn a niche, and create real value with the help of AI, you can win. AI is not the advantage by itself. Execution is the advantage. Quality control is the advantage. Understanding people is the advantage. So take this seriously. Pick your niche today. Write your one-sentence channel promise. Outline your first pillar video. If you do that, you'll already be ahead of most people before you ever upload.